Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. Into this video I'm going to work with Laravel and Livewire and with specifically with skills. Right now I have prepared a project which is right here, and let me just open this. So see did YouTube, and I'm going to open with VS Code. Okay. First I'm going to show you if we go to agents, and we have some skills by default with Laravel. We have Flux UI, we have Fortify, Laravel, Best Practices, Livewire, Best, and so on. Let's see this Livewire, because here I want to point something. If we scroll, first we see creating components, and we have a single file component, SFC default in version 4, creates resources views, inside the resources views components. And we have an example with create post dash post, which I don't like this create dash post. And the command is make Livewire create dash post. If we search here, if we go to Livewire documentation, and let's see, for example, components here, we have examples with post.create, which is going to create, let's zoom it also for you. Is going to create the component inside the resources views components, and then post directory. And for example, if we want a component for create, a component for edit, for view, and so on, I think is more organized in this way. Anyway, so here we have this kind of suggestion. Also the same for the full page, MFC, and class-based component. Then if you scroll down, we have here also check the config/livewire.php. But here we don't have, inside the config, we don't have the Livewire by default. If we want, yeah, we can open the terminal and run the PHP artisan vendor publish and search for the Livewire. And yeah, we can add the Livewire, and let's run also the composer and dev. But by default, we don't have here. And I think we need, if we create a project with Livewire selected, the Livewire needs to be here, because the AI needs to see the configuration file for the Livewire. Anyway, what I want to do in this video is to create a component. So let's come here, and I'm going to open the vibe from Mistral AI. Okay, so if I say, which skills do you have? Okay, I'm going to ask which skills we have here. And I have installed some skills from the Matpokok. We have Caveman, Diagnose, Find Skills, Flux UI, Fortify, Grill Me. I've used this in a video. Grill with Dogs, Improve, Code Base, Laravel Best Practices, Livewire Development, Pest Testing, Title CSS Development, TDD, to issues, to PRD, vibe, and write a skill. And now I'm going to ask a simple prompt. Create an example page, which is going to point to /example, and I'm going to say to use a Livewire component, just like this. So let's say create an example page. The route will be /example, and the page will be Livewire component. Okay, so here create an example page. The route will be /example, and the page will be Livewire component. Good. I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to change this to auto approve. Loaded the skill, Livewire development, very good. And also running the PHP artisan make Livewire pages example, because I said we need the page will be Livewire component. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so the example page has been created successfully at /example, and created the Livewire component using PHP artisan make Livewire example class. Has changed. Added the route, and let's go here. Let's see the view. Inside the pages, we don't have. We have the Livewire, and here we have the example. Okay, if I go to routes, here's the web. We have get example, and then we have this example class, which is okay, it's working. So if I navigate the /example, hit enter, yeah, the attempt to read property name on null, but because has used the app layout, and inside the sidebar is going to check for the authenticated username. But the idea is not here, is here that I wanted to have a full page component, but we don't have a full page component. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create in the agents skills, I'm going to create a new skill. Let's name it Livewire -component -creator. And then here we're going to create skill.md file. And I have prepared a skill using the Claude Code. Here is the skill Livewire component -creator. Okay. And here is the skill. Let me just do it like this. So create a Livewire for components with guidelines and so on. And I'm not going to show you what is inside, but you can create with the Claude Code or with GPT-5 if you want to do something like this. And also in here I'm going to create a references directory, and in this one we have examples.md file, which I have prepared also some examples here. So for example, SFC with Tailwind Light. Here is going to be an example like this. Okay, I'm going to save. Let's save also this one. Let's open here. I'm going to stop and start again the vibe. And now if I ask which skills do you have, we're going to see also we have the Livewire component creator. And now I'm going to use this Livewire component creator to create almost the same prompt. Yeah, just let's leave it the same prompt. So create an example page. The route will be /example, but now not /example. Let's change to be custom. Just custom here, and also create a custom page. But we are going to use that skill. So /Livewire component creator. And I'm going to hit enter. And it's going to ask us, which component format would you like? SFC, MFC, or class? I'm going to choose SFC. And component full page. So will this component be used as a full page? I'm going to say yes. Which styling approach will you use? Flux UI, I'm going to choose Tailwind CSS. Do you need dark mode support? I'm going to say yes. Which layout should this full page component use? Default one or use new one? I'm going to say default one. I'm going to change this to auto approve. And we have everything is done. Let's see. Let's close this. Go to routes. We have route Livewire, custom, pages custom, and let's go to custom here, because yeah, we have the layouts up and title custom page, which is not going to be like this. Needs to be in here, and because we are using layouts up, this will be protected, so the Livewire will be in here. But anyway, now if I go, not the example, we need to go to custom. Let's go and sign up, and here is the custom page. Okay, the idea was, if I wanted something like this, yeah, and we can go further. So for example, if we use the default layouts up, the route needs to be inside the authenticated middleware. But yeah, the idea, that's it, the idea. If I want to create the Livewire component, we need to ask which type of components the user needs. Also the layout, also if the component is a full page component, and the design. You can add more question, but I think I just wanted to give you the idea. I'm going to show you just the example here. I'm going to scroll down slowly so you can see and take an idea of yourself what I have here. Step 2, resolve file path. Step 3, generate the artisan command. Generate code files. Styling rules. Step 5, route registration and layout full page only. So here we have an example and also with route model binding example. But yeah, we need to update this to be inside here. Anyway, this is the example here. Also the references examples. Let's show you. So we have a bunch of them. We have the SFC Tailwind Light, SFC Tailwind Dark, SFC Flux UI Light, Dark, and so on. But here is, for example, this SFC Tailwind Light, class component, and then class BG White. And this is for dark, class component, and then use the BG White and also dark BG Gray 800, as you can see. Okay, friends. And that's it all about this video, what I wanted to show you. Now, if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.